Welcome back, everybody. This is Cricket doing a coffee break planner sticker haul. I got two sticker hauls, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right on in. I'm not sure which one I ordered first, to be honest with you, but I don't really think that it matters. A lot of these were done during the Black Friday sale, so this was the freebie that I got. Very cute. Clean Me, utensils, shoe, bags, crock pot, laptop, bill due paid, scallop, and haircut appointment. That's perfect for me. Alright, so this one right here is the Happy Birthday Kit. And I fell in love with this. I thought this was precious. So look at this full box. Happy birthday down here with the pink and the black and the gold. Right up my alley. So here are your full boxes. Here are your half boxes. And again, I like that she has some deco in, some designs in it and some plain. More half boxes and quarter boxes. Your bottom washies. Your day covers, and you get 4 different colors and versions of them. Your flags. Sorry, I'm going back and forth upside down. You got the long flags and short flags. And then this one is called the Valentine's Kit. It says all you need is love. And they're your full boxes. Your half boxes. More half boxes and quarter boxes. Your bottom washies. I love that washi. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Your long and short flags. And your day covers. Is that not awesome? Aren't those beautiful, y'all? Let me do it like this so you can look at them while I'm doing the next haul. And then this next one, and they're pretty quick on shipping too, you guys. And my friend PRs for them, so I'll have her code down in the bottom in the description below, okay? Trying to get it all out. And again, there's the freebie that I got. Okay, and here are the die cuts. I'm so excited about these. I love die cuts in my rings and my TN. So let me move that out of the way. Now look at here. And look at this. And it almost looks 3D. Look at that nose, how the nose looks 3D. Cute. And then like a note card, which I might write or put script across there and put my name across there, or Merry Christmas. Then this one by himself. Got 2 of those. And then the reindeer by himself. And then the note card with the reindeer. How adorable is that? Then I ordered the Christmas truck half boxes, and there's the snowman in it and the reindeer, and then down here is the snowman and the reindeer. I got 2 of those. Look at the stickers. And then these are just the deco stickers with the reindeer, the snowman in them. And then again, I got another set of those. So y'all go check them out. Like I said, I will have my friend Leanne's code down at the bottom, but you can use any of the PR girls. They are all wonderful. But look at these kits. Come on now, you guys. They are precious. Let me see if I can get them straightened up for you. Precious. Freebie. And then those. Go check them out. They're wonderful. They're awesome people. They are precious. They have a Monday night at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time coffee break planner. You can go to them, and on Facebook, make sure you add them on Facebook, but also add me PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and Instagram, and I'm always there during their reveals for the week. So I will have it tagged on my page so that it'll tag you. So hope you have liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Please share my video, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.